So I wanted to share this really cool teacher resource with you called Classkick. So you can actually use this through the app or you can use it through your laptop, either one. I like to start on my laptop and set it all up and then use my iPad when I'm responding to students, but you can also respond from your laptop either way. Students will also need the app or access to a website. So you go ahead and you can sign up for free. Once you log in, I'm going to log myself in as a teacher. Okay, so now I'm all logged in and you can see here that I have a bunch of assignments that I've already used. So I'm going to show you this one here. This is our integer warm-up that we're going to be using on Monday. So here is where I created all of my slides. So I made my first slide here, and then it just says add a caption, and then I can go through each of my slides. Here's the agenda for the day. Here's my questions. And again, I have 5 different slides. So I'm going to show you those again. Here's my 5 slides. I can add more slides. And when I'm in the editing, I have lots of options up here. I can add pictures. I can add audio there. I can add text boxes. I can add links. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like for the students. So here's the students, very similar to what I have. And now you can see that the student has answered these questions. So now going back to the teacher version, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you view the work. So here's the work here. And I can see that student number 1 has responded to my slides. Now I can go on while they're responding and I can even write a little note back to them and then they can see it on their end. So let's say that I thought this was funny. So I can go ahead here and I can just write funny next to it. Now this will show up on my student's screen as well. So if I go back to my student screen, here's the student screen and the student can see it as well. So now I can also go through and I can see how they did on the second slide, how they did on the third slide. And I can see here that the student made an error. So very simply, I can just circle where the error is. And that lets the student know, check this. Gives them just a little note and they can make edits right there. So this is great, especially when you're doing virtual or hybrid and you have students in 2 different areas. Everybody can jump onto the Classkick and you can just talk the students through it, or maybe this is something that they do asynchronously and you can go in and give them little notes. So it's a great way to actually see their handwriting and see them solving work, especially for math. And another feature that I love that's in here is if you're introducing a new concept like I am, which is determining how do you determine if a fraction is greater than another one. I can even add over here a video that the students can click on and they can watch a quick little review video or an introduction video to a topic. Hope that helps.